Ready to power up your PokéTilda copyright GO adventures with a brand new Apple gift card? Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to redeem that Apple gift card. The easiest way to do this is directly through the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the colorful App Store icon to open it. Now, look for your profile picture or the small avatar icon in the top right corner of the App Store screen. Tap on that to access your account. On your account screen, you'll see an option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. This is what you want to tap next. Here, you have two choices. You can either manually type in the 16-digit code from your Apple gift card, or, for a quicker process, tap Use Camera to scan the front of your gift card. Once redeemed, the value of your gift card will be added directly to your Apple ID balance. You'll see a confirmation of the process and your updated balance right here. Now, let's head over to PokéTilda Copyright GO. Open up the game as you normally would. Inside PokéTilda Copyright GO, navigate to the in-game shop. You'll usually find this by tapping on the PokéTilda Copyright ball icon at the bottom of your main screen, then selecting Shop. Here, you can browse all the available items, including different bundles of PokéTilda Copyright coins. Select the amount of PokéTilda Copyright coins you wish to purchase. When you proceed to checkout, you'll be prompted to confirm your purchase. Here's the crucial part: your Apple ID balance will automatically be selected as your payment method, since we already added the gift card to it. Tap to confirm the purchase, and just like that, your PokéTilda Copyright coins will be added to your account, ready for you to use on incubators, raid passes, or any other in-game item to boost your PokéTilda Copyright GO journey.